We introduce the LM32, the high-spin washing machine, which is part of the 26 to 32 kilograms product range. With an optimal balance of high washing performance, sturdiness, robustness, stability, and load capacity, the LM32 stands as the most versatile high-spin washing machine in the Imesa range. This model is also equipped with advanced, high-level technologies designed to enhance performance. These include maximum corrosion resistance. The drum and outer drum, made of AISI 304 stainless steel, ensure high resistance to corrosion, maximum stability, and very low noise levels. Thanks to an effective balancing system consisting of vertical and horizontal shock absorbers. Reduced dynamic imbalance. Thanks to an advanced spinning control system, efficiency, reliability, and ease of operation of the porthole. The support pins, together with the conical gasket, ensure high stability and a perfect seal. Moreover, the mechanical locking system guarantees maximum reliability and ease of operation during every work cycle. LM32 is a washing machine designed to be sustainable not only in terms of water, detergent, and electricity savings, but also for its high level of recyclability. In fact, more than 80% of its weight is recyclable. Let's move on to the features of LM32. Designed and refined by Imesa with a focus on delivering the best user experience, making every stage easier for the operator, while always ensuring top performance. Let's start with the IM11 digital user interface, consisting of a 7-inch full-touch display with a user-friendly tilt and an intuitive and easy icon-based layout. Total management of the working parameters is possible from the panel. Smart control function, accelerometer and inverter to manage unbalanced laundry loads. Customization of washing cycles, water level, washing temperature, motor spin speed, and rotation pause rhythm are all fully programmable. In addition, the LM32 is ready for wet cleaning cycles and mop and frange cycles for the cleaning sector. The LM32 is a high-tech washing machine even in connectivity. It is constantly connected via Wi-Fi to the IM.CONNECT portal, allowing simple, fast, and secure remote laundry management. The TapTech label with NFC technology makes the LM32 washing machine interactive by connecting it to the Laundry for You app, providing access to a lot of technical information about the washing machine and the opening of service tickets when needed. For more information on LM32, the most versatile washing machine with high performance, scan the QR code.